Are you stupid? Go. Pull up over there.
Holy!
Oh my God, what the f are you doing?
Ooh, saddle up and like a sunset Sunday ride. When it's my time to go, and I'm at the end of my rope, I'll be fine, I know, 'cause I've already
I have the video camera if you guys need me to stay and wait for the police. It looks like you ran it, or well, somebody ran into each other. I don't know. Y'all can pull forward. I mean, y'all have to stay here, block traffic, so pull forward ahead of me. I'll let her know.
I've been to jail already. I don't want to be confined. It's kind of heavy, but here, the money is inside. Go! Open the door, Gary. You are going to be the guy. We need to leave now. Staying here is ill-advised. If we wait any longer, we will be...
What the dumb you I'm not gonna let you in now, you
You ever pray with all your heart and soul just to walk away?
at the right away.
Okay.
Hey, 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 hey! Woo, woo, woo! Look, people, they're gonna fight now. Whoa, 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 whoa! Did you see that? Did you see that? That was not. Here you go. He got a ticket. Oh my God. Oh my God, people, God, people.
To shape the way I see the world. She said, so what did he call you? And I said, he called me a nigga. Are you that? I said, I don't know what it is. Why would you be afraid to be something you're not? You don't have no concept of what it is. She said, you're only what you answer to. And that's the way I grew up. And that's the way I said, well, thank y'all for coming.
I went to Amsterdam with my friend Michelle, and I've never been there before. She took me around the district, and it's totally legal, man. And the sexual workers dance pretty much naked.
I was sitting in the car waiting to pull out the shoulder, but I couldn't go anywhere because there was this white Honda Pilot blocking the lane. So I said, let me wait for this car to do parallel parking right in front of me. But out of nowhere, he just stepped on the gas so fast and started backing up so quick and just went over my car. 1 second later, I see his rear wheels going through my windshield. So I quickly jumped over to the passenger seat, opened the door, and got out. And I said, let me go check the other driver, make sure he's okay. So I walk over to his car, and I see he's still alive. He's breathing. He's there. He looks good. And he's like, let me back up a little bit. He was still trying to back up a little bit because he thought he was on the curb. I said, sir, you're not going anywhere. You're over my car. He really destroyed his car. And the top part is, I don't think I can get parts for it no more. It's a classic. It's really hard to get parts for these cars. Anyways, the hood is off. The doors are pushed in. The fender of the home's broken. The driver's side mirror is gone. The bumper is open. It's not open. It's cracked everywhere. There's a piece to the headlight, I think, around there by the rear wheels. He was driving around with a suspended driver's license, but apparently he didn't even know that his license was suspended.
So I went through parallel park, but I saw his headlights, so I stopped. And I looked to the left. I didn't see his headlights anymore. So I said, all right, let me just go ahead in. Whip it in. Next thing you know, just punch. I couldn't see his car anymore.
Of course, he couldn't see my car anymore because he was on top of my car.